Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to show you how to assemble my inline fuse holders. Now, the file's on Thingiverse, links down below, as always. So these are my inline fuse holders. There are two sizes. They hold these glass fuses. There's two common sizes. I don't know what the sizes are, but these are two common. They're pretty common for most electronic devices. Okay, so like one of these prints took about 11 minutes. They took about 20-ish minutes for both of these when printed out. Okay, so what I did for the wires that go through the holes is that I stripped them, then I curled the copper wires together, then I put a little bit of solder on the end. And besides the wire and the 3D print, you're going to need a spring. Now, the spring is from one of these pens. Any pen would do, but it just looks like that. And you get about two of them from a single spring. You might be able to get a third one if you're conservative with it. So all you need to do is to assemble it. So all you need to do to assemble it is take a wire, put one spring on it. Then you're going to thread it through the hole with this little square piece. So there's just like this. I'll bend it. It's a little easier to bend it, pass it through, and pull it right up like that. And you're going to take another one without a spring, pass it through the hole, pull it through like that. And I don't have another spring, so I'll prep one. I just sacrifice this one pen. So we need about 10 millimeters of spring, so 1 centimeter. But if it's off, it doesn't really matter. Something like that. So put it through a wire. Now the solder is pretty important because it actually holds the spring back too. That's why I added solder. So again, pass it through the hole. Pull it for the other end. So just like that. So to put the fuses in, you just push in the spring a little bit, and it should hold in place just like that. Same thing for the smaller one. Although I think I made my spring a little too tight, so actually I'm going to loosen that a little bit. Oh, stuck in it. Come on. There we go. I'll take this one out too. Oh, where's that spring go? Right here. Okay, so I want to make this a tiny bit smaller. Okay, like that. So, let's try to put the fuse back in. Should fit now better. Okay, here. And there you go. It took a little, I had to shorten the spring just a tad bit more, but here you go. The fuse is in place. Now, here's the bigger one. To take it out, you could try to pull it out, but if you just pull it out a tiny bit and flip it over, it comes out super easy. Well, there you go. Now, I wouldn't, for me, since I'm not going to connect this to anything, I'm going to add pin connections to the end, so I can connect anything I want to the fuses. So that's the end of this video, guys. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. All that fun stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye.